What's up, guys?
What's up, Team Fusion?
It's like minus infinity outside. It's a huge snowstorm.
Here in top of Everest in my ODA 5.
And we're still going door to door, selling energy. You gotta do whatever it takes, no matter the weather. Weather is not an excuse to not do something, because you are the universe and you can change the weather.
It's sunny somewhere in the planet, so we don't give a shit.
Even if it's snowing, snowstorming,
snowboarding,
you can survive. You're not made out of chocolate, right?
Right, and chocolate is killed by snow, right? You know?
So, no matter the weather, get out there
and
hustle,
kick some ass.
Kick some asses. There's no
nobility
excuses.
in poverty. There is no nobility in poverty. I've been a rich man and I've been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
That guy's stealing the show right there. We are off to hustling. We'll see you later. Subscribe for more adventures. Hey, Franky Diamond.
What's up?
We're still in the snowstorm.
And just closed a 11K deal.
And we closed the deal. See, you gotta get out. You gotta do it no matter what. So we're just gonna keep going.